It's the actual last day I will ever walk into this apartment. Let's freaking go. I'm kind of excited. So together we are doing this photo wall thing. Few things in the all of this is up for donation. We are folding up the rug. Fun fact, this rug my parents got in the 80s. So this rug is probably around 35 years old and it's still holding up today. I think it's so cute and vintage and has so much meaning tied to it. Last outfit video in this room. A few last minute dishwasher. 89% sauce. Look at this. Sauce. With our light. It's fully empty.
If I was empty space.